What is up, YouTube? We are back with another awesome moto vlog. Today's video is going to be focused on Black Friday deals for the GX470, and I've created a spreadsheet of some decent deals that I found online I wanted to share with everybody, so let's just get right into it. So I have this spreadsheet that I've created, and it's in Excel, and I went ahead and I sorted this by the largest savings in dollar value, and this obviously will change depending on how much you spend. Some of these deals are percentages, and that will obviously save you more money the more money you spend. But I just want to go through, these are just some random companies that I tend to go out to and look for parts. I have Ironman 4x4, Explore Overland, JW Offroad, Dobinson, and Relations Race Wheels, Baja Designs. So I'm just going to kind of go through these one by one and talk about the deal, what it is that I found. I have some biases here of things that I'm interested in picking up for my GX, but I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. And the first one is this Ironman foam cell lift kit. This is actually a pretty good savings. It's a $680 savings. So this is 30% off right now for their Black Friday sale, and total comes to only $1,500. So you save $680 on this one, and I'll bring this up so you can kind of see. Everybody probably recognizes this, the iconic Ironman green coil spring. So that was the first one on my list, and that was due to the large savings that it had. The second one comes under the Ironman 4x4 site as well, but this is under the armor category, and this is their front bumper. This is 25% off right now, and you get a total savings of $350, so you can scoop this thing up for a little over $1,000, and we'll just click on a link and kind of show you what that front bumper looks like. This is the one that's, pretty heavily armored. It's got the bars, up above. I personally probably won't pick this one up. I really like the Explore Overland one. This one's it's too bulky for me, but it is a good deal overall, so I put it on the list for that reason. Some people really like this front bumper, so if you do and you're looking to get this one for a deal, it is $350 off right now. So speaking of Explore Overland, they have a bumper right now that is 21% off, and they also have some armor bundles and rock sliders that are all on sale. There's just in general, I think there's good savings from their site. They've got a nice kit that is the bundle of the front bumper and the rock sliders, so that's a really good deal. So yeah, the Explore Overland bumper, this is a pretty good deal. Normally $13.99, so $1,400. It's on sale for $1,100, so $300 savings. It's a really good looking bumper. This is what it looks like. Big fan of that. I really would like to pick one of these up, but I think I might go with a lift for this Black Friday. But we'll see. This, in general, I really like this low profile design. I think it looks really good, and as you can see, $300 off, pretty good deal. Alright, so the next one on the list as far as largest savings goes to the Ironman as well, and this is the Ironman Rooftop tent. This is normally a $1,200 deal, and now with a $200 off, 17% savings, it comes in at $1,000. And this, for any of you people out there who are looking to get a rooftop tent, it looks like a pretty good tent. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I was looking at the deal and I thought, hey, that's a pretty decent deal. But if you are in the market for a tent, $1,000. On to the next one. This is another Explore Overland deal as well. This one is the armor bundle that I talked about. This is the rock sliders and the front bumper. Typically this is almost $1,700, and right now they have it $200 off. So for $1,500 you get a front bumper and rock sliders. That's a really good deal. It's a really good deal without that, and to have an extra $200 off makes it even better. Alright, so the next one, this is switching over to JW Off-Road, and this is their rear tire carrier, something I was looking at some points. So typically this runs at $899. It's on 15% off right now, so you can get that for $764. And I'm sure a lot of you know what this looks like. Alrighty, so the next one up, this is the Explorer Overland, just the rock sliders. And that's what they look like. This is the raw, unfinished, but they've got a nice little emblem on there that looks to be maybe welded on, and it's got some of these cutouts along the side. You can change the material, the fill or no fill, or the dimple plating. Alright, so the next one is the JW Offroad Roof Rack. This is normally $800. It's $120 off, so it's, you know, about $680 right now. And this is a really nice roof rack. This is one I intend on getting in the future. Just love the design of it. I think it's a pretty clean roof rack, and it's got some nice functionality in it, and there's a picture here of it, I believe. Yep. So here's a nice ability to mount LED pods on the side, and they have a nice flush mount look to them. So let's see if we can find another. There it is. I believe this is rigid pods that fit in here, but in general, the overall design of this, yeah, that's a rigid LED pod there. So the next one on the list is the Dobinson Lift Kit. This is one that a lot of people really like. They're having a 10% off right now, so for their 1.5 to 3 inch lift kit, that's running at $1,000, so you can get $100 off. Pick that up for $900. Personally, really like this one. I really actually like the black with the red coils. It's a pretty good deal. I'm thinking I'll pick that one up myself. I really am in the need for a lift kit, so that one is definitely the #1 on my list right now. Alright, so the next few here are not as big as savings, but I think they're noteworthy mentions because I think they're cool additions and they're on sale right now. So one of them is also from JW Off-Road, and this is their exterior Molle panel. This is 15% off, so you can pick it up for about $190. The next two are actually from Relations Race Wheels. They have two different deals. They have two different wheels in stock right now for our GX470s, and it is the RR5V and the RR2S. They're both on a 5% deal, so that gets you $15 off, so $260. But you save in total. If you buy 4 wheels, you're going to get $60 off a set of 4 wheels. So we'll start off with the RR5V. This is a pretty nice looking wheel. I really like this bronze look, and it's a matte bronze look with a nice black rim to it, and then you've got these faux bead locks, and just in general, really like the wheel. It's on sale, so I thought I'd bring it up. It looks like right now it is not available in matte black, but in the matte bronze you have the option of 0, -12, and -25 for the offset, and that is a 17 by 8.5 wheel size. The other wheel is the RR2S. This one is the same deal percentage off wise. This one only comes in the matte bronze with a black lip. It's a very clean looking wheel. This one comes in a -12 and a -25 offset, and that is also a 17 by 8.5 wheel. Alright, so the last and final one on the list is from Baja Designs. This is one in particular that is a good deal going on. They've got tons of sales going on their site, but one of the things I noticed is they're doing from November 26th to November 29th, they're going to pick 10 orders that were purchased within that time frame, and they're going to completely cover the cost. So you could get randomly selected to have your entire order be free, so that's pretty cool. And then on top of that, they've got a ton of stuff for sale on their site right now, so there's a lot of things on sale, and of course you know that Baja Designs makes some good stuff. Tons of really cool light pods, LED bars. So if you're in the market for getting some LED stuff for your GX470 this Black Friday, head on over there to Baja Designs, check them out. So that does it for the list of Black Friday deals. I know I just roughly scratched the surface of all the deals that are out there. So if you see any deals that are going on, post them in the comments below. I'll add them to the description so everybody has clickable links. But if you see any deals or you're working for a company that has deals, post them in the comments down below so that we can all see what kinds of sales are going on, because I think a lot of us are hunting, trying to find the best deals for Black Friday. And it would be great to use this video as a forum to be able to post links and talk about those kinds of deals. So if you know of any deals, post them down below because I personally want to know about them. And also as a note, I am not sponsored by any of these companies, so I'm unbiased in my decisions on selecting them. It's just some companies that I'm aware of, that I like some of their stuff, and I was hoping they had deals, so I went out and looked at those sites. But I'm in no way being paid to show you these deals. They're just deals that I thought were good and I'm personally interested in. So if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, I post GX470 content, and if you want to see more of that content, hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright, well that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.